Hello YouTube. Today we'll see how to create the exemption certificate if your shipment is not for sale or you are importing a personal item or any item which is in the custom exemption list as a sample shipment or something like that. So you can apply for the exemption certificate. You don't need SABER for that. Just apply for the exemption and you will submit that exemption certificate through your custom clearing agent and then your shipment will clear based on that. How to do it? Let's see the steps. Step 1, to visit the website exemption.saber.sa. Secondly, these details will be required to apply for the exemption certificate, your product details as well as your shipping data. Please make sure you have all these details before you visit the website. Now here are the steps. Please follow these to make your exemption certificate. Once the request is submitted, you just create an invoice. Creation procedure, as I mentioned in my other video. Pay the amount SAR 402.5 through Sadat, then it will be under studied by SASA authority. And once SASA authority approved it, then you can print your certificate from the SABER system. Thank you for watching. If you need any support, free consultation for SABER, you can write me YouTube at MyFreight.biz. If you need any help for custom clearance at Saudi ports, or you want to help for the door-to-door shipments, we can move your shipment door-to-door. Just write us Saudi@myfreight.biz. Hope to see you in the other video. Goodbye. Take care. Masalam.